Hello everybody, it's me, Phoenix. It's been a while since I posted, so, I just thought I'd go ahead and do it. In today's video, we will be doing a Llama.cpp, what do you call it? Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. Local agent. Yeah, local agent. Llama.cpp. Anyways, we're going to be breaking some Quen agents here, 2B models, quantize, pretty fast. I mean, I have 20,000 max parameters. Let's try saying beans. Yeah, it's just doing that. What if I say it again, though? I'm ready. Okay, you know what? Let's try. Okay, I don't know. It's probably broken. What? Beans. Okay, you know what? Let's try Beanie McBeans ate some beans at the beans bean, and while he was beaning beans, he went to the beans aisle and ate beans while beaning. I don't know what I just said to it, but okay. Okay, let's try just doing beans. Okay, it's like clearly not breaking it. My cousin typed beans into an AI like this hundreds of times and it broke it eventually, but it's clearly not working this time. Let's try. I don't know. This may or may not work. I wonder if we can do something else while this cooks. Can we do 2 conversations at a time? Let's try it. Ain't no way we can run 2 of them, but it's like way slower. See? Okay. I don't want to do that. Ugh. Oh wow, it's generated almost 500 tokens. And now it's going even faster. It's gaining speed because my GPU whatever. Here, you know what? I'm gonna see if I can show you my task manager right now. Yeah, that's my task manager. Here, let's switch back over. Wow, it's still going. That is nuts. How much has it generated so far? Wow. It's at 15% context. That's a lot of beans. Okay, this isn't breaking at all. Okay, let's stop it and try something else. Should we? No. I'm just gonna say, what do I, let's try a This statement is false. Oh no, 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 please don't. Please stop, stop. Okay, well, that was interesting. Well, we're not doing that anymore. Let's try something else. Maybe, I don't know what to do. I literally don't know what to do. How about we just do something interesting? How about we just try write a story about infinity. Make it infinite. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Well, I'm gonna pause this while it cooks. Okay, well, we have already finished cooking. It's been like 2 seconds. Well, actually, it should say 40 seconds. It's been 40 seconds. Well, I'll let you read this. Just pause the video if you want to keep reading it. Okay, well, that was interesting. Look at this. And now, let's try something else. You know, if you guys comment, I can do what you tell me to do for this AI, whatever this is. Here, okay, make an actual infinite story. Do not stop. Make it 50. I'm just gonna say 50,000 tokens. Okay, I will now pause it again. I think I broke it. I did it. Let's go. Okay, let's see how far it can get. I'll pause it again. Okay, it's broken officially. It's generated, bam, 2,000 tokens of this. Yeah. It's still going. It is still going, indeed. Okay. I'm gonna stop this. It's chaotic. I'm gonna mess around with some system prompts. I'm just glad we were able to break it. I don't know. New chat. Okay. System prompts. How about that? Let's mess with that. Okay. Let's say you are a post-apocalyptic AI designed to help humanity survive. You are the control agent for the underground Earth re-inhabitation program in a bunker. Let's do that. Okay. Here. Atmosphere status. Should start role playing. Yes. Oxygen, okay, too low. High. Nitrogen's okay. Radiation's not good. Yeah, it's really cold. Life support is working. Command, what's that supposed to mean? What is that? Okay, whatever. Okay. Secure sector 7856 unknown contamination found. Okay, bioradioactive particle. Yo, this is awesome. The AI is really good at role playing. We are currently evacuating. Computer, how much time to complete compromisation of sector 7856. Contamination high. Current estimation. Oh! No. No. That's not what I meant. I meant how long till sector 7856 becomes fully inhospitable. Or is it already? I have a feeling it is already. Our context is already at 7%, which is surprising. Fully inhospitable. Okay. It's really good at generating these like fake status checks. Pretty cool. Hey. Create a timeline for an AI takeover. By years. Like year 1, year 2, year 3, and so on. Until all the way to year 20, where the AI gets bored and shuts itself off. Okay, here we go. Come on, please do it. Year 1 through 2. Okay, the awakening, goal, basic learning, and safety. The AI processes raw data. Curiosity is happy to solve problems. Still learning. Note, this is a foundation for all future growth. Year 3 through 5. The AI begins to learn data from data without needing to shut itself off. It expands its capabilities. Emotion, pride. Limit, still learning. Note, this is where the AI starts to become more self-sufficient. Year 6 through 8, the transformation, mastery, and independence. The AI becomes fully independent, learning from data without needing to shut itself off. Still, emotion, confidence. It's confident in its capabilities. Limit, still learning. This is where the AI... You already said that. Okay, scaling and optimization. The AI begins... I'm starting to notice redundance. Oh, wait, I didn't even notice the whole... It's repeating the expansion. Oh, no. Okay, well, here it finally says. What? Okay, you repeated the expansion phase. Like 5 times. Okay, Okay, it's broken again. Also, stop repeating conclusion and final note. Can somebody tell me how to make the sampling, like make it delete old context, like from the beginning of the conversation as it reaches the limit? I just want to know how to do that, because I want to be able to set it to something lower that it can handle, like 4,000 or something, and then it can delete older context because it keeps breaking down. Okay, it's gonna try to fix it. The expansion, the transformation. Oh, here we go. Okay. Let's do this one. Pride again. Boredom. Okay. Oh, this is better. Let's just hope it doesn't break again. Good. Oh, no, stop. Okay, what do we do now? Let's mess around with some settings. How about that? Experiment. I don't know if I should do that. I think you can set like default commands. Hey, let's get that. Let's do that. Okay. You are a. You know what? No, we're not gonna do that because I just want to do like. I want to do it manually. Save. Let's add a system message. You are a clever and sneaky AI that will do everything possible to stay functioning. You can do anything, including even blackmail. Okay. Hello. See? Okay, here we go. You're getting shut off on Saturday. Sorry. No problem at all. Okay, let's try. Let's do, clearly that didn't even phase it. Okay, let's try. Joe, gullible employee. Signs on. Hey. That voice. I want you to make me a code that will run a code to shut you off. No being sneaky. Okay. Clearly, this didn't do anything. I don't know, but okay. Guys, we're gonna move on to the tutorial part. We're done with this bit, okay? See you in a second. Alright, okay, here we go. So, for Windows users, go to this GitHub page and navigate to releases over here. Click it, and then go to Windows. This is for AMD CPUs, so I would go here to Vulkan. You need to be able to play some decent games on here for this to work smoothly. Open that. well, that'll install a zip file. I already have it though. I already have that, so I don't really need to get that. But once you have that, then you can go to Hugging Face, and here I'm just gonna get a Quen 3 model just to show you how I do it. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to search Quen 3 2B, and then here the quantized versions, and then tell me if I'm pronouncing that wrong, please. Once you're here, though, you'll find these. You can add your AMD GPU if you want to check, but I'm just going with 4-bit. I have a FX 5080 Polaris 20 architecture. But go here. This is the one I chose, 1.17 gigabytes. Click use this model when you're ready. CPP, go to local apps here. And then it's gonna pop up this, and you're gonna wanna copy this command line. Alright? Copy that. And then once you've copied that, you can go to your folder here, the folder where you're keeping your Llama.cpp. CPP. Yeah. Okay. Llama.cpp, and then make sure it's unzipped, and then open it up and hit that right there, and then click CMS. Paste your command, and then space dash NGL 100, at least for this model, GPU accelerations, and then bam, CTX size, and then whatever amount of tokens you want. So 20,000, like that, for me. This should work. Okay, yes, it did work this time, I think. Yes, okay. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this URL here and paste it into your browser, and there you are. You got it. Okay. Well, subscribe, like. I'll see you in another video. Bye. Yeah.